Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has said,
आज सिंध की भूमि, मेरे बहनों भाइयों, यह भारत का हिस्सा भले ही न हो, लेकिन सभ्यतागत रूप से सिंध हमेशा भारत का हिस्सा रहेगा। और जहां तक जमीन की बात है, तो बॉर्डर्स तो बदल सकते हैं, क्या पता कल को सिंध भारत में फिर से वापस आ जाए।
Indian Air Force technicians inspected the fly-by-wire software of Tejas aircraft, hydraulic actuators, negative G fuel sequencing and control surface hinges, and every single Tejas aircraft in both squadrons passed, allowing the entire fleet to continue full flight operations without interruption. Delhi-based SMPP Ammunition has signed a teaming agreement with European defence major KNDS for the KATANA series of precision-guided artillery rounds. The KATANA family includes ballistic range, extended range, and high-precision variants equipped with a laser seeker. The Indian Navy has commissioned INS Mahe today, the first of the Mahe-class anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft. The Indian Army has completed raising 380 ASHNI specialist drone platoons, with every battalion now fielding 25 ASHNI soldiers trained exclusively in drone surveillance and strike operations. The Indian Navy is evaluating indigenous compact small modular reactors to guarantee uninterrupted power for naval bases during cyber attacks or hostile strikes. French firm Thales has offered its 200 km range lightweight Air Master AESA radar for Indian helicopters. IIT Kanpur has developed the VU-60FW flying wing ISR drone that features a tailless flying wing configuration with swept-back blended wings for low radar visibility and endurance that is optimized for border monitoring and maritime reconnaissance. The Indian Army is set to begin field trials to select a new fully indigenous light armored multi-purpose vehicle. The platform must sprint at 110 km per hour across desert terrain, scale 60% gradients, carry 8 soldiers plus a 2,000 kg mission payload, and withstand AK-47 fire from 10 meters as well as a 7 kg TNT blast. The DRDO and the Indian Air Force are jointly working on a 700 km range new stealth-optimized air-launched subsonic cruise missile, designed specifically for internal carriage in the AMCA stealth fighter jet. The missile is a scaled-down evolution of the nearby missile, enabling the AMCA to carry 2 units internally along with air-to-air missiles. It will integrate an advanced TW suite using frequency hopping, chaff bursts, and a tri-mode guidance system, and simulations indicate over 90% survival in low-altitude strike profiles. The Indian Army is evaluating Germany's Skyshield next-generation short-range air defense system to protect high-value assets from drone swarms, cruise missiles, helicopters and low-flying fighter aircraft. It is capable of 1,000 rounds per minute and uses ahead-programmable ammunition to shred micro-drones and incoming aerial threats mid-air, integrates a 50 km tracking radar, Skymaster battle management core, and an open architecture that allows pairing with missile systems such as ASHNI and the QRSAM. Negotiations include local manufacturing through transfer of technology with over 60% indigenization, with Tata Advanced Systems or Bharat Earth Movers Limited as potential partners. Russia's United Engine Corporation has revealed to India that the Izdeliye 177 jet engine has a significantly higher thrust of 157 kN as compared to 142 kN of Izdeliye 177S engine, while retaining the same 905 mm inlet diameter, with only 20 kg weight increase. Russia has confirmed that both the engines maintain drop-in compatibility with AL-31 airframes, which means India can integrate it on Super Sukhois without any major airframe modification. Russian officials have said that Su-57 will begin fielding the Izdeliye 177s first, while the full-rate production of the Izdeliye 177 is expected by 2028. Today's top 3 comments.
Tejas.